Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will know how to change display size in our phone Nothing Phone 1. Display size mean text on the display. Just go to the settings first and click on display. Click on display. Now click on display size. This is default. To increase, just move to the right side. This is large size. This is largest. If you want to decrease, move to the left side and it is small size. So in this way you can switch between these 4 points. This is small, then default, then large, then largest. So when you are using typing interface, that is when you are messaging to some others, or when you use WhatsApp for messaging, and you will have this display, and the size will be increased. Okay, if you want to set only in the default, select second point, and it will be the default display size for text. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.